Hey everybody, John Stovall, MarineMax Lake Lanier. You join me today on a new Sea Ray 350 SLX. This is the second biggest SLX in the lineup. This boat is fantastic. It does all kinds of stuff, and starting on the swim platform. So first and foremost, this platform is optioned to go into the water for easy entry and exit. Dogs, things like that, it's just easier to get in the boat. I love the clamshell on the back. So now you've got a hidden seating area. You can convert it and lounge different ways, however you want to, with cup holder, speakers facing this way, your flagpole, and a charger built in. And just like that, put away. Follow me on through. So you join me in the cockpit. This is a wraparound seating cockpit with leather wrap grab handles that is exclusive to the SLX lineup on Sea Ray. Hard top with the opening sunshade and an extendable awning that goes out back on that clamshell seat I showed you earlier. You have a companion seat here next to the grill and sink. This grill is electric grill, easy to use, easy to clean, and your refrigerator and trash can built into the boat. Huge storage locker at my feet. Covers are in there now, great place to put them, but also if you want to put skis, tubes, things like that, you can in there. Twin co-captain's chairs, so you've got two people here, flip up bolster. Berth to the left, port side rather, that also has air conditioning. This is not a generator boat, but it does have a 12-volt AC system. Starboard side has the head. So let's check out the berth. So this is air conditioned, it is a 12-volt AC system. Okay, on the starboard side of the boat, you have a huge head with a massive entry point, so you don't have to worry about hitting your head or worry about being too tall to get in there. Just about anybody can get in there. At the helm, you've got twin Simrad glass dash displays. They're 12 inches. All your switches, all your stereo head units, digital throttle and shift, again on those Mercury 8.2 liter big blocks, and joystick piloting as well. Up here in the bow, you've got the traditional SLX layout, twin loungers with the fold down armrest, leather wrap grab handles, chargers, cup holders, speakers, upholstery everywhere, in-floor storage as well. This is option with the bow filler that you can put in there, or if you just want to sit with your feet down, you can. Anchor windlass, power windlass rather, with the wash down and your spotlight up here on the bow. Appreciate taking the time to look at this boat with us. This is a 350 SLX by Sea Ray. You can find more information at www.marinemax.com.